Hi everyone, I'm Curtis with Customer Success here at Ubersuggest, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Ubersuggest Chrome Extension for SEO and keyword discovery. If you'd like to download the Ubersuggest Chrome Extension, all you have to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Ubersuggest, or just simply go to Google and type in Ubersuggest Chrome Extension. Now, once you go to the Chrome Store webpage, you can simply add it as a Chrome extension. Obviously, I have it installed already, so I won't need to do that. But let's go ahead and dive in and show you the capabilities of the Chrome extension. So the really great thing about the Chrome extension is that if you already love the Ubersuggest tool on desktop, you're really going to love the Chrome extension because you can take it anywhere with you on the web by doing any search query or surfing or browsing any website. So let's say we're searching for a term like marketing. Once you populate the search engine result, it'll show you the monthly searches for that term, the cost per click, and then I can collapse this even further to get even more insightful data. As you see here, it'll show you the search volume, the SEO difficulty. As you may know, SEO difficulty is on a scale from 0 to 100, with 100 being the most difficult to rank for. Here you have paid difficulty. That's an indicator of how many advertisers are bidding for that keyword within Google AdWords. And of course, cost per click. You can see a breakdown of seasonality for search volume for a particular keyword based on mobile and desktop searches. You can even see the amount of people who do a search and click on an organic search result versus a paid result versus even no clicks at all, which shockingly, most people don't even click on any search results. You can also see the searcher's age range, which is very valuable as well. Scrolling down, you'll see even more data. As you would in the Ubersuggest desktop tool, you'll see even more keywords, related suggestions, questions, prepositions, and comparisons, with a breakdown of the volume, cost per click, and search difficulty. You can even search by country by clicking here and then selecting whichever country that you desire or whatever your business is based in. Going down even further, you'll see the overall traffic for each of the individual search results, the number of backlinks that they have, and then scrolling over, you can see even more data based on what the domain authority is for the specific search results, the estimated visits that they get, the number of social shares they have, and the number of backlinks they get. So we can break this down and it'll show me the page's top ranking keywords based on their estimated visits. So you see here their top keywords for that page and also the top backlinks. Now, if you want to get more competitive intelligence, say your competitor is neilpatel.com. I highly doubt it, but let's just say it is. You can get a breakdown of a specific website's traffic overview. So you see here a breakdown of organic keywords, organic monthly traffic, the site's domain authority, and the number of backlinks they have. Their traffic trends over time, their top SEO keywords rankings trends, their top pages by country, and top keywords by country. And then you can siphon that out even further and take a look at their keywords by traffic, break this down into country if you like as well, see their backlinks, and you can even run a SEO audit on the site as well here. But that's going to take a little time. So let's go even further. You can take the Ubersuggest Chrome extension with you on YouTube. So if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, you can perform a search. Let's say marketing in this instance. And you'll see the monthly searches and cost per click just as you would in any web query with a breakdown of affiliated keywords as well. You can even do this on Amazon.com for any specific search you're doing in that regard. So I hope you found this helpful. As you can clearly see, the Ubersuggest Chrome extension is super versatile and you can take it anywhere with you on the web. So if you want to do quick research or get quick insights on your competition or any site in general, I highly suggest you download the Ubersuggest Chrome extension. If you'd like more insights on SEO or resources on how to get started with SEO, please check out our SEO Unlocked courses. And feel free to reach out to our support team at any time. You can contact us at support@ubersuggest.com.